Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD Crosshair cursor disappearing using the easy method. This is a great way to rescue your invisible drawing pointer so you can stop moving your mouse blindly and get back to work. Step 1. Open your main options panel using your keyboard. The first step is to open your main configuration window by typing a setup word, which is necessary since your pointer is invisible and you cannot use your mouse to click on menus. Look at the bottom command typing bar on your screen. Use your keyboard to type the word Options and press the Enter key. Wait for the massive settings box to load up directly in the center of your screen layout view. This is the start of everything because you cannot fix an invisible pointer tool from your regular design grid. You have to open this master configuration window so you can access the deeper setup options. Without this step, your screen will remain blank and you won't be able to reset the color or size settings that make your pointer show up. Step 2. Change the size value of your crosshair lines. Next, you need to head into the Visual Setup tab and change the length of your pointer lines to force the software to redraw them on your monitor. Look at the top row of files inside the settings box. Use your keyboard or arrow keys to click on the tab marked Display, locate the slider tool near the bottom right that says Crosshair Size, and slide it to the right. Make sure the number box shows a bigger value, then hit the Apply button at the bottom of the window. Because sometimes a display glitch can shrink your pointer lines down to 0%, making them completely invisible to your eyes. By forcing the size setting up, you tell the computer to stretch the lines across your entire screen view. It ensures the software draws a giant visual marker so you can see your pointer instantly. Next, you need to reset your pointer colors back to default. Stay inside that same display tab view, look for the button near the top left that says Colors, click it once, find the item labeled Crosshairs in the center column, and change its color setting to white or green. This is the most important part because if your background screen is black and your pointer color accidentally gets changed to black during an update, it will completely vanish from sight. By resetting this specific color layer, you ensure there is a sharp contrast between your grid and your tools. It is the key step to getting the right output because it fixes the visual mistake instantly. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD Crosshair cursor disappearing, you must first type Options to launch your main panel. Then you head to the Display tab and crank your crosshair size to 100 to stretch the lines out. Next, you open the Colors menu and reset your crosshair color so it doesn't match your background page. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.